Ever wondered what the big deal is with cloud accounting? Imagine doing your finances just like always, but through the internet. That's cloud accounting for you. Just like QuickBooks Online, hosted far away on someone else's servers. Here's the magic. You punch in your data, it zooms off to the cloud, gets crunched, and bam, back to you with no fuss. And the best part, you can do this from anywhere, anytime, as long as you're connected. It's like having your very own virtual office. No more being tied down to your desktop. Your applications and data trot alongside you, ready at your fingertips, whether you're at a cafe or on a train. No more wrestling with installations, endless updates, or clunky setups on every computer. Cloud accounting is here to take all that weight off your shoulders, freeing you to focus on what really matters, your business. Ever thought about how easy collaboration could be? With cloud accounting, your team, whether in the same room or miles apart, works on the same data, same version. No mix-ups, no outdated versions. And then there's visibility. How about accessing real-time reports from anywhere? Or better yet, customizing essential reports right on your dashboard. That's the kind of control cloud accounting offers. But here's the million-dollar question. Is my financial data even secure up there? Picture this. Your data, encrypted, password protected, impervious to the old lost or stolen computer disaster. No more nail-biting over sharing data. Forget those dodgy flash drives. In the cloud, it's as simple as having the right access. Easy, secure, and efficient. Truly a Hakuna Matata vibe. And what about disasters, you ask? Cloud providers are always one step ahead. With servers scattered around, your data remains safe and accessible, come what may. Let's talk about costs. Less infrastructure, no dedicated IT maintenance teams. The cloud cuts down on expenses, not corners, making it a smart move for your wallet too. And hey, it's not just about saving money. It's about adding value. Think about the universe of apps out there ready to streamline every corner of your operations. Receipt bank, T-sheets, you name it. Remember, it's not just about keeping up with the times. It's about being ahead. Dive into my insights from Connect Toronto 2018 and see just how transformative cloud accounting can be for your business.